Hi, this is Ed Duclos, Tech Content Coach, South Windsor School District. This is the second part of the video series, Feedback Tools for Google Docs. Again, based on Eric Kurtz. Just got finished doing the text feedback, so I'm now going to go ahead and do the other two, voice feedback and video feedback. Voice feedback is going to work with Read and Write for Google Chrome. Absolutely wonderful tool. It has so many different options and tools available for us. We're just going to focus on one called Voice Note. So you're going to end up uploading this, and it's going to be an extension that'll sit right there. So you have a puzzle piece, purple puzzle piece. If you don't see that, then what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to go to Debbie's and my website. And the way you do that is to go to any of the district pages, go to staff resources, and then you're going to scroll down and you're going to find EdTech resources. Okay, simple way to get to our website. There we'll have a whole bunch of information, resources, and everything available for you. Okay, so now in order to get to this one here, you're going to go to Essential Toolbox, and then you're going to scroll down to Read and Write. Now, there'll be a video down here that will show you how to go ahead and add that to your Chrome. All right, now, you've got it added. So here's what you're going to end up doing. Let's go back to that student work. I've got that puzzle piece. I click on it. Now, so many tools, like I said, but we're not going to take time right now. Here is Voice Note. Love this. It allows me right now, actually, I want to go back here because I want to highlight so then I can get this comment left in a specific area. Now I go to Voice Note, and it allows me a 1-minute message. All I do simply is to click on the microphone and talk away. Hey, Mark, some really good stuff here. What I would like to have you be a little more careful with is your word choice. Okay, fantastic start. Let's keep going. Now, once I end it there by clicking back on the mic, now I can come over and just simple insert. It's going to take just a couple seconds here. And then it drops it in. Now, right now, it looks exactly like the first part, except that when you hover over it, it's got that play button right there, and that's what your student's going to see when you send this back through Google Classroom. I just absolutely love this feature. This is audio, 1 minute or less, quick, short to the point, and allows you to do the talking and them to do the listening. All right, so that's one thing I'd like to have you consider. All right, now, the other part here is going to back to our resource page will be the video. All right, so now the video, if you followed me at all, you know that I love Screencastify, and we're going to use that again. So if you go back to the EdTech resource page, we're going to go back to staff. We're going to click on EdTech resources, and now all the distance learning tools Debbie and I have put right up front. So all you need to do is come in and click on Screencastify. Now, if you don't have it already, I'm showing you how to get there. Yes, this is a screen. I'm using Screencastify to do this video here. And right down here, you'll see some of the video resources. The first part 1, you're going to click on that, and that'll tell you how to load it in. Okay? Now, here's what we're going to do. Here's how it works on this. If I come in here now, I can go ahead and you'll notice that it's got some tools and everything along those lines. So I'm not going to restart it right now because it's already working. You can see it's been typing, it's been up here. Okay. But now, that red dot says that it's recording. Now I have tools down here as well. So here's one of the ones I like when I'm teaching reading or giving feedback. I click on the halo. And that allows me to come in and say, hey, I love the beginning, okay, but a lot of good information in that first paragraph, but let's use more of a grabber in that first line. Now, if I don't like the halo or I want to get rid of it after that point, I can click off. The other thing I can do is I can click on a pen and I can start drawing and letting them know what's going on. Now, I'm not marking up their paper, okay, this is a screencast. anything that's on the screen is being recorded as well as my voice, and that'll end up getting me a link, which I can then put into Google Classroom and send right back to them, and they're able to now watch the video. All right, so let's just go back here. I just wanted to make sure I covered everything. There is a handwriting feature. I'm going to put that off for the time being. The one thing that we're going to do to follow up for effective feedback is with rubrics, and Google Classroom has totally changed rubrics and how we get those onto our students' work. Hopefully this has been helpful, looking at anything from your text to your voice to the video feedback. As always, let me know if there's anything I can help you with. Have yourself a great day.